All right. Hey, we're back at it. Grandma Tanner's last cooking segment for the season. So we'll get at it. Next week's Thanksgiving, so we won't be here. But today she will be cooking Tanner's peach salsa, chicken and rice. So there you go. Go at it, Grandma.
Yeah. So you can come over here. I have 3 chicken breasts, and I cut them up in small pieces, and then I just sauteed them in a little olive oil.
Okay.
Now I did put a little bit of, it doesn't call for in the
Little
paprika just to give it a little color. And then I'll turn that up a little bit. In the meantime, I'm cooking my rice. And brown rice takes, after it comes to a boil, you simmer it about 45 to 50 minutes. Where the regular rice does not take that long. So we have these nice feather and fowl seasonings, and along with 3 other, one for beef.
They're
fish.
all on buy 3, get 1 free.
Yes.
And you can mix and match those, or mix and match them with the salsa, or whatever you want.
This really gives it a nice flavor. And I have a friend over in Morton. She comes all the way out here to get that salmon. She said that is just...
Yeah, I gave somebody the ribeye one for Christmas or something, or birthday or something. They love it.
Yeah. Well, in our bakery one, we have hamburgers. They put the steak, the steak one on the hamburgers. Really makes it good. So I have sauteed these. Okay. They're pretty much done. So now I'm going to use about maybe 2 to 3 teaspoons on here. I'm not measuring. I'll just...
How many shakes is that?
I don't know. I've lost track. So you just...
When you're cooking it, you could put it on there too, huh?
Yes. Yeah. It just adds a lot of flavor, this chicken or this feather and fowl. So then I have one pint of peach salsa. So I will put all of that on there. This is a nice little kind of a warm winter dish, or any time actually. So then you put that peach sauce on there and just kind of bring it to a simmer for a little bit. Heat it up. Now if you really like peach salsa, you can use 2 pints. And all this stuff right now is on sale. You can buy
3, get 1 free.
Yep. This peach salsa doesn't have it's not very hot, but it does give this a little zip. So you just simmer that a little bit. And then I think my rice is pretty much done. So I have this casserole dish, and I will pour the rice in the bottom. And I was thinking, if you want a vegetable in here, you know, you could scatter a few peas also. Just put a nice layer on the bottom. Now if you like rice, this was 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. I'm simmering this so that flavor of that peach salsa kind of goes into that chicken. Just simmer it for a little while. And this can be eaten right away because all this stuff is hot. Or you can eat it later. Just stick it in the oven for maybe 20 minutes or 25 minutes just to heat it up a little bit. But something easy, simple, do it all in one skillet. And I used 3 chicken breasts. They were fair, you know, medium size. Pass your inspection?
Mm-hmm.
It's good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to take this off just to save a little time and pour this over this. But if you wanted to, like I say, I think you could put a layer of vegetables in there. Like some peas or something to add a little bit more color.
Or if put cheese on it would be good.
Oh yeah, cheese would be good. Melted a little bit. But it's just a nice comfort casserole.
And you probably mix it, you can probably put it all in that one big skillet and just stir it all up.
Yes, you could. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more of this seasoning on it. Because I did not add any salt to the chicken. But that's about it.
You probably cook the chicken in a crock pot with that salsa on top of it. That'd probably be pretty good. All right.
So that's all there is. And I have, this is our peach salsa. And we also have corn salsa, which, you know, a corn salsa mixed in with this would be good too.
Yeah. We have apple salsa. You could do the apple salsa with pork.
Yes.
Be real good.
And then we have the pork seasoning.
That's the middle one there.
Yeah.
Pork rub.
That's new this year.
Okay.
And they're very popular.
All right. Well, there you go. Grandma Tanner's last one. Tanner's peach salsa, chicken and rice. I did post the recipe on our Facebook page, so it's there.
And we just are open till the 30th.
It's the last day. And if you bring, on the 30th, we won't have the buy 3, get 1 free sale, but we will have, if you bring in 5 items, and I'm telling you, if you got 5 of those free toothbrushes from the dentist sitting in your closet that you want to get rid of, bring those in. But if you bring in 5 items for our local food pantry, and they take more than just food, you'll get 40% off of your entire order just on Small Business Saturday, which is November 30th, which also happens to be our last day. It does exclude the cider, the applesauce, and the donuts.
Yes.
But everything else will be 40% off.
That's a really good buy with your gift, with the Christmas items, and got some beautiful Christmas items still out there. So.
All right. Well, we will see you guys. Have a happy Thanksgiving. This was Grandma Tanner's last one, and then we'll be back at it August of next year.
And Lord willing, we might make a Grandma Tanner cookbook this winter. That might be one of our winter projects.
We always have big plans for the winter. Like we got all this time, and then it's gone. It's like, what did we even do? But
trimmed 17,000 trees.
I know. When we have our, we have to go to the gift show and the conferences, and it just seems like it just never stops. So, all right. We will see you guys later. Thank you.